car right here was right there when it happened. And he drove it over all this shit and made it to there. Is that crazy? Yeah. So, look at this shit. These dudes are crazy. Man, you're really pushing it there, buddy. This ground is not stable right now. I'm a dirt man. I promise you that's a bad idea. So that car was coming down here. This road broke out from underneath it. This is where it hit. And this dude just kept on going until he couldn't go no further. Got out of his car and ran like hell. That's crazy, right? Yeah, this dude went through here and just kept going, man, until he couldn't go no further.
Man. Wish I had my bike.
This car, he tore the shit out of it, dude. The front end of it all up when he was going through all that shit.